Hey everybody, you've been asking for it, and here we are to deliver a quick mini tutorial on how to make your horns removable for storage and transportation. Let us know if you'd like these shorter format videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching. The first step is to hollow out the Ridgeofoam from the bases using a box cutter or X-Acto knife. That way you have room for the T-nuts to be installed. Even those pliers work great for punching holes to make room for that T-nut and bolt. I use an ordinary straw just to make sure that none of that hot glue seeps into the hole and possibly causes issues with the bolt. Once you're happy with the T-nut placement, just use your finger to hold it in place and adding a little bit of hot glue on the edges where those little spikes are, just on two sides, temporarily holding it in place. For the final step, mix up equal amounts of the epoxy sculpt, making sure to thoroughly mix these together. I'm showing a couple of different techniques in this video, but pretty much you want to make sure it's just a consistent color in the end. This product will cure rock hard overnight, making sure that your horn is well reinforced. Last step is squishing the epoxy sculpt all over the base, making sure that clay is sealing the T-nut into place. And there you have it! Your horn will be ready to go the next day in order to install into your head. If you like, you can do a little bit of sanding after it's cured, just to finish up that base. This technique can be used for any of our foam-filled horns on our website, dreamvisioncreations.com. See you all soon in our next video.